Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Business Studies. Previous video we have discussed the concept of management and meaning of effectiveness and efficiency. Today we are going to discuss the objectives of management. Objectives are the goals towards which the activities of a business are directed. Management has to achieve all its objectives in an effective and efficient manner. The management objectives may be grouped into three major categories. First one is organizational objective, another one is social objectives, and the third one is personal objectives. Let's see what is organizational objectives. Organizational objectives are also called it as economic objectives. The main objective of any organization should be to utilize human and material resources to the maximum possible advantage. Objectives set by management for the organizations are called organizational objectives. The elements of economic objectives are survival, profit, and growth. Survival is the basic objectives of any organization. Management must strive to ensure the survival of the organization. In order to survive, an organization must earn enough revenue to cover the cost. The next one is profit. Only survival is not enough for the business. Management has to ensure that the business makes reasonable profit also, which is an incentive for the continued successful operations of the company. Profit is essential to meet the cost of business and also cover the business risk, because as you know very well, business is having lot of risk and uncertainty. So if we are getting more profit, definitely we can cover the business risk also. And the final one is growth. It is important for the business organization to grow and expand their activities. To remain in the market, management must exploit fully the growth potential of the organization. Growth of the business, how we can measure? We can measure by increase in annual production or increase in number of products, product line, and sales turnover. Increased in number of employees in the organization, capital investment, and market shares. Let's see the next objectives of management is social objectives. A business should conduct the activities to fulfill the expectations of the society. Undesirable activities should not be undertaken for maximizing profit. Social objectives of the management involves consistently creating benefits. Business organizations are the part of the society. They earn by using society's resources. We can say land, water, all those resources the business is utilizing and they are earning profit. So they must do something for the society also. The main social objectives of the organization: conservation of natural resources, generating employment opportunity, providing financial support to the community, honest and prompt payment of taxes to the government, providing quality goods or products at reasonable price, not to follow unfair trade practices like black marketing, underweighing, misleading advertisements, adulterations, etc. The next objectives of management is personal objectives. The management must reconcile personal goals with organizational objectives to have harmony in the organization. Personal objectives of management are concerned with satisfying diverse needs of the employees, such as financial needs by giving them competitive salary and perk, social needs such as peer recognition, higher level needs such as personal growth and development. This is the personal objective, or we may call it as individual objectives. So, the objectives of management are classified into three. One is organizational or economic objectives, another one is social objective. Finally, we have personal objective. Hope you have understood the concept. Thank you.